The Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. On 30th October, the Chief Electoral Officer, Election Commission, Meghalaya, F.R. Kharkongor, had briefed media persons on the by-polls conducted during the day in the three assembly constituencies of Maurangkneng, Mauplang and Rajabala. As per reports received by the Election Department, the total turnout of voters stood at an average of 80.43% out of a total of 1,02,695 voters. Here is a report from the CEO of the Election Commission, Meghalaya, F.R. Kharkongor, on today's voting to the Assembly by-elections.
Today, the polls in the three constituencies of Maurangkneng, Mauplang and Rajabala have been conducted smoothly. Of course, we still are awaiting the full reports from a few of the polling stations. But as per the 5 p.m. report, the polling percentage stands at 74.69 for Maurangkneng, 75.97 for Mauplang, and 90.63 for Rajabala. Of course, we are still waiting for the information from a few of the polling stations in East Khasi Hills district. I'm covering both covering both Mauplang as well as Maurangkneng. During the polls, we saw a good and enthusiastic participation from both the senior citizens, the middle-aged, and also the first-time voters. In fact, some of the first-time voters also received the first-time voter certificates, and also we'd like to share with you that the COVID-19 arrangements were also in place in all the polling stations. We had the nodal health workers, and also there was use of all the various COVID-19 accessories like hand gloves, like those disposable gloves to press the EVM, as well as sanitizers outside the polling stations, and also a thermal scanner, and also to a large extent social distancing was also maintained to a large extent. Coming to the machines, we had very negligible malfunction. Only 6 VVPATs had to be changed, 3 in East Khasi Hills district and 3 in fact in Rajabala. So 2 in Mauplang and 1 in Maurangkneng. So almost a very negligible rate of machine malfunction this time, and this time we have used the M3 variety of the EVMs, and the machines that were changed also and that were malfunctioning were the VVPATs and not the CU and the BU.